Grover speaking from Evergreen Consulting for Advanced Supply Chain Software, powered by IBIS. This month's topic is process streamlining and automation, the secrets of lean distribution. So today, in part one, just going to give a bit of an overview of the subject. First question is for you, and that is, what's your approach to what some people call lean distribution? Are you 100% into lean distribution at your company? Are you in the category of needing to work harder on eliminating waste? Or is your view of lean more jaded, and that is, well, that it's really just another fad and you haven't taken it too seriously? So let's talk first about the Toyota production system, which is the predecessor of lean manufacturing and lean distribution. The Toyota production system is about continuous improvement. It's about process improvement, and it's about the respect that management has for people as part of the production process. That's particularly important in wholesale distribution because our business is such a people-intensive business. So the objectives of the Toyota production system, or TPS, are as follows. First of all, is to the extent possible, to eliminate inconsistency, because inconsistency is a generator of waste. You may be surprised by the next one, which is stress reduction, and it's elimination of those factors in the business process that cause stress for the employees in the organization, on the production line, and of course in the case of wholesale distribution, in the production of services for our customers, of naturally eliminating waste, which we're going to spend most of our time on. And then finally, I wanted to mention the terminology that you may be accustomed to, which is just in time. That was the original idea. Kanban is the Japanese word for just in time, for example, delivery of products to the production line at the exact moment when they're going to be needed. And that really has morphed into what we now call lean manufacturing or lean distribution. So let's talk about the 7 kinds of wastes, and I've really, to some extent, reinterpreted them for wholesale distribution. One, of course, is excess inventories, which is an enormous waste for most wholesale distributors who are suffering from low return on investment. One of the major challenges there is that, of course, if you have too much inventory, your investment is greater than it has to be, and consequently reduces the return on investment. Another major source of waste for wholesale distribution is delays, where people are waiting for somebody else to do something or waiting for something else to happen before they can do what they need to do to contribute to the customer's ultimate satisfaction. Third area is transportation, and of course wholesale distribution is a transportation-heavy business. Wastes in processing, and for wholesale distribution, which we'll talk about to a large extent, is a business of processes, and many of those processes are somewhat amorphous. That is, they're not well defined in some wholesale distribution businesses. Waste of inventory and supplies, now that's not the same thing as excess inventories. This would be waste of the inventory or supplies that you already have on hand. And then the last 2 kinds of waste are waste of movement, and you can think of examples in the sales area, you can think of examples in the warehousing, delivery area, and also, of course, defects, which is quality problems, another type of waste, and then the cause of rework, and often root cause of unhappy customers. So how to become lean in wholesale distribution, and I'm going to focus on 3 primary functional areas. One is sales. I'm going to spend another session on warehouse and delivery lean, and I'm going to spend the last session on lean back office operations. So in summary on this topic, the TPS, the Toyota production system, talks about 7 wastes, which are the basis of lean manufacturing. They translate very well to wholesale distribution. And eliminating waste is a combination of streamlining processes and automating processes. So without further ado, we'll wait till next week. We'll have another conversation on this subject. Until then, this is Brent Grover from Evergreen Consulting for Advanced Supply Chain Software, powered by IBIS.